you for a ride in this Boxster. I'm already in manual mode, so we'll show you how the thumb shifters work on the steering wheel. And you should be able to see this is a really nice driving car. So this is a Tiptronic car. You can put it in auto, and you have a gear indicator here. I'm in second gear. Plenty of power, and that's 3,000 RPMs. And then just simply with an upshift here on my thumb, there's third gear, and I can downshift again to second. And you've got thumb control on either side. Kind of a nice setup. So I can also downshift into first, which is again indicated with the red light. And there's 5,000 for a second. And third. And so we can leave it in third for this twisty road. Have to hold on to the dog on my right here. And of course, wonderful mid-engine handling, which is to be expected. Fourth and fifth. So of course you can leave it in automatic mode and the computer will handle that for you, but it's kind of nice to have these thumb shifting opportunities. Left or right thumb, it's very easy to get used to. And there's third gear and second gear, and then first gear at the stop sign. So there's first. And that's third again. And then of course wonderful brakes, as every Porsche is known for. So you can bring it back down to a comfortable speed. And then I can stick it into drive mode. So now we're back onto just a regular old automatic. And these thumb shifters actually still work. I didn't know that. So you can leave it in automatic and it'll do it for you, and then you can also override it. So you really don't need to move the steering wheel, I'm sorry, the shift lever out of the automatic mode. It'll do that for you. See that by stepping on the gas there, if you could see the lights, it just dropped a gear down to third, so the kick down is working, and that's in the automatic mode. So again, I'm not using the thumb shifters, and the automatic system will override me. But if I want to stick it into first now, I can do that with the thumb shifters. So it's sort of the best of both worlds. There's an upshift that was automatic, and a downshift that was automatic, so I'm no longer using the thumb controls. Kind of cool. For an automatic transmission car, it's really very manual if you'd like it to be. And high tide at the beach, which is why I'm here. So we'll sign off at this point, and thanks for coming for a ride in our Boxster S.